This is an OmniPage document. It contains text scanned from paper. If you don't have OmniPage, you can't edit the OCR data, but you might be able to extract the text. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's try. As a quick preventative measure, I always recommend having a dedicated universal file viewer ready. This kind of tool can often bypass basic OPD corruption. We will discuss my top recommendation again later in the tutorial. An OPD file is associated with OmniPage, a powerful optical character recognition, OCR software, and Microsoft Office. It typically contains document data, potentially including scanned images, recognized text, and formatting information. OPD files facilitate the conversion of scanned documents into editable and searchable formats, streamlining document management and workflow processes. It may also contain data related to Office documents. The internal structure of an OPD file is proprietary to OmniPage and may include a combination of raster image data, text extracted through OCR, and metadata related to the document's layout and formatting. The file format is designed to preserve the visual appearance of the original document while enabling text editing and searching. It may also contain links or references to Microsoft Office documents. The essential opener for the OPD structure is OmniPage developed by Nuance. Windows displays only generic icons, indicating a need for specialized software. Windows can display some document formats, though detailed editing depends on compatible tools. Your first step in unlocking the file, right-click the OPD file and select Open With. Prioritize OmniPage if you see it. If not, select another program. A systematic approach is best here. If you still can't open the OPD file, it's okay. Since this OPD format is so specific, the error is likely a simple resource issue. Let's verify these essential technical details before we proceed. First, use OmniPage. Open the file using OmniPage OCR software, the primary application designed to handle this document data. Next, use Microsoft Office. Attempt to open or import the file into Microsoft Word or Excel, as the format may contain linked Office document data. Finally, use an OCR utility. Use a compatible OCR tool to extract recognized text and formatting if the original software is unavailable. When every program rejects your .opd file, it is often a victim of naming overlap where multiple proprietary formats share the same extension. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. The search is over. FileMagick is the specialized universal viewer you need. It handles any OPD format. Available at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes. Signing off for now.